Dark patterns are carefully crafted interfaces that trick people into making decisions or performing actions they otherwise would not. Dark patterns can range from subtle omissions to outright lies. But what they all have in common is that they undermine users' intentions and cost them time or money they never meant to spend. As designers, it's your job to help clients understand what dark patterns are and why it's unwise to use them. Here are a few examples of dark patterns that you can avoid during your practice. First is the Roach model. To put it simply, a Roach motel is a service that is easy to sign up for but difficult to cancel. An example would be an online subscription that can only be cancelled by calling. Roach motel is usually paired with forced continuity, where customers sign up for a trial. Still, companies charge them serious money when the trial ends, often without notifying them about it. Second, hidden cost. Hidden costs aren't disclosed until a purchase is nearly complete. We all have experience of being enticed into clicking an affordable Airbnb listing only to find a $100 cleaning surcharge. Third, privacy deception. It involves tricking people into sharing more information than they intend to. Social media apps request full access to your photo album when you are just sharing one picture, and you might later find they have been using other photos for commercial purposes. I hope this tip was helpful. Don't forget to visit our website at void.com. This is San. You were watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.